Now, if you want to start a profitable export business, you need to listen to me for the next 1 minute. You see, we in Africa have abundant resources that people in the USA, UK, Canada, and many Western countries are looking for. But the problem is that most Africans don't know how to get these things in the hands of these foreigners. You see, all this has to change now, and it's time we Africans begin to control the manufacture, the sale, and the distribution of the thousands of African products that are needed abroad. Now, my goal is simple: to help African businesses increase their wealth by showing them how to export everyday items around them. I have helped thousands of businesses start a profitable export business so you can have a better life. Now, click the link below for a free training where I'm going to show you how to export everyday items abroad. It's easy. Click the link below to get started now.